Good day, world. I want to touch base on these inexpensive whip lights that I got off of eBay. They're not really flexible. I've got them mounted to these springs. These are antenna springs that I got from the l.e.d's truck stop in Pasadena, Texas. Common issue with this stuff is these controllers going out. Mine was stuck on green. Every time you turn it on, it would just go to green, couldn't change the color. That's going to happen eventually, as all of this stuff is just cheap Chinese crap. This is the one that came with these whips. It comes all sealed up in the harness. Pretty much waterproof. It doesn't have any evidence of ever being wet. It still functions. It's just stuck on green. Here's the controller, which pretty much works on all of these. These are just dream color chasing LEDs. You can get all kinds of different ones off of eBay. You can get them in the strips, you can get them in the tubes, you can get underground lights, whatever. So what I'm doing today is I'm swapping out this controller. I could, if I wanted, get on eBay and file a claim since they have a warranty, but he's going to send me the same piece of crap. It's going to happen again. So here's what I like to do. I get these dream color controllers right here off of eBay out of China, literally for like $3 or $4 a piece. And what I like to do is I get the ones with the little plug on it right here. This separates, and then I go to my electronics parts outlet store in Webster, Texas. Or actually, they're in Clear Lake, Texas now. And I get this end right here, solder that in, and then so here's mainly what the video is about. You're going to have positive and a negative on the controller. When it comes out, your negative is going to be the white wire, your hot's going to be the red wire, and your controller wire for the signal is going to be this green one. But on the whip light controller, it's going to be red, black, and yellow. And your yellow, as you can see, is going to be your controller wire, your signal wire. So if you go the route that I did, what I like about this is, say you're out on the trail, this stuff, you know, your whip lights ain't working right, the controller goes out, it's literally just plug and play. Unplug it here, unplug it here, slap a new one in, you're back to your lights working. So a little bit of work in the beginning, but longevity wise, it's much better, much better. And let me see here. As you can see, it's got all the functions. Speed it up, slow it down, do whatever you want.